美国总统川普初7公布移交予日本甲韩国的通知书，讲按说为8月初1开始减扣25%的关税。也拿马来西亚、哈萨克、南非、辽国甲缅甸是扣25%至40%不等。北京甲宽限期延长到8月初1，不过投资人烦恼讲这波疫情可能会致使美国主要指数拢大落。
北京发言电视镜和日韩的通知批广告指出，按算8月初开始对两国扣25%的关税。美国总统川普伫社群发文，阁表示，若日韩决定提出报复性关税，美国会伫25%关税基础之上提出对等的关税。
Sending letters out on Monday having to do with the trade deals. Could be 12, maybe 15 tariffs are going to be the tariffs. I think we'll have most countries done by July 9th, yeah. Either a letter or a deal.
Tariffs go into effect August 1st, but the president is setting the rates and the deals right now.
美国已经甲英国越南达成贸易协议，佮继续甲中国进行谈判。川普了，佮宣布，拍算为8月初1开始对马来西亚、哈萨克、南非、辽国甲缅甸扣25%到40%的关税，佮陆续公布真济其他国家的税率。美国对顶关税90日宽限期，初9特别到期。北京也宣布，川普初7签署行政命令，延长关税宽限期到8月初1。学者认为，川普将关税当作谈判策略，不过这可能让美国通膨升高。
He might make a big deal about the tariffs and how much revenue they might bring into the federal government. My sense is that he wouldn't actually want to see them implemented because of the costs that would then be passed on to consumers and the drag that have on economic growth across the United States.
伫川普宣布日韩关税了，华尔街主要指数拢落，佮宣布其他国家关税引爆全球目前前的纪录。美国继续大跌，三大指数拢创3礼拜以来上大一日，录上侪状况。公司新闻陈伟金编辑。